The new all-electric AMG four-door coupe of 2027 simulates the sound of an atmospheric V8. This car is a real breakthrough. Until recently, we admired the roar of the V8, and now we have a high-tech electric car that has not only preserved the spirit of the legendary AMG, but also reached a whole new level of performance. The premiere took place in May 2026, and in the spring of 2027, the first lucky ones will be able to get behind the wheel of this masterpiece of engineering. The first thing that catches your eye is the bold, aerodynamic silhouette. The designers were clearly inspired by the world of motorsport. The long, low hood, the sweeping body lines, and the Pan Americana's signature vertical radiator grille with spectacular lighting. From behind, the eye is attracted by 6 round lanterns combined into a single composition, and the 3-pointed Mercedes star serves as an elegant decorative accent. But the most interesting part begins when you accelerate. The active spoiler on the trunk lid changes the angle of inclination, adjusting to the speed to provide the perfect downforce. The dimensions of the novelty are impressive. Almost 5 meters long, almost 2 meters wide. This is a solid, confident car, which at the same time remains maneuverable thanks to the intelligent steering system of the rear wheels. They can rotate as much as 6 degrees. In the parking lot, this helps the car literally dance, and at high speed on the Autobahn, the wheels work synchronously with the front ones for maximum stability. But the real magic is hidden under the hood, or rather, under its aerodynamic plastic. Instead of the usual engine, 3 axial-type electric motors are installed here. They are more compact and lighter than traditional radial counterparts, but at the same time, they produce prohibitive power. The developers have prepared 2 versions, between which is literally a gap in dynamics. GT55 is already a serious claim for speed. With a peak output of 805 horsepower, it shoots up to 100 in just 2.3 seconds. Imagine, you just managed to press the pedal and the speedometer needle has already exceeded 100 kilometers per hour. GT63 is a real hurricane. Peak power is an incredible 1,153 horsepower, and continuous power is 711 HP. The torque reaches 2,000 Newton meters, which allows you to accelerate to 100 kilometers per hour in just 2 seconds. At the same time, the maximum speed is limited to 300 kilometers per hour. All this power is driven by the AMG Performance 4MATIC Plus all-wheel drive system, which distributes traction so that you feel absolute control over the road in any situation. The power reserve is provided by a powerful 106 kilowatt-hour battery. According to the WLTP standard, you can travel from 597 to 700 kilometers on a single charge, quite enough for long-distance travel. And if you need to replenish your energy supply urgently, a fast charging system with a capacity of up to 600 kilowatts will allow you to replenish the charge in a matter of minutes. The interior of the new AMG T is a different story. The atmosphere of a premium technological cockpit reigns here. In front of the driver is a 10.2-inch digital dashboard and a 14-inch center screen, all built with an emphasis on user-friendliness. The passenger doesn't feel deprived. A 14-inch display is provided for him. The GT63 version has a unique AMG Race Engineer unit on the central tunnel, 3 rotating knobs with which you can instantly adjust traction control, accelerator pedal response, and suspension stiffness to your driving style. It's like a remote control for a racing car. Comfort is also excellent. The AMG Active Ride Control suspension smooths out any bumps in the road, and the Active Aero Kinetic system works on aerodynamics, creating additional downforce where needed. For fans of unusual sensations, the Sky Control panoramic roof with switchable transparency is available. Imagine how the view overhead changes at the touch of a button. The smart filling is represented by the MB.OS system, which connects all the electronic components of the car, and the MBUX interface with the zero-layer concept. The necessary functions will always be at hand, without unnecessary clicks. The AMG Dynamic Select riding modes deserve special attention. There are 7 of them, and each one changes the character of the car. The most interesting one is AMG Force Sport Plus. It doesn't just change suspension and traction settings, it mimics the sound of an atmospheric V8. You feel like you're driving a classic AMG, even though there's pure electronics under the hood. So far, prices for the new product are kept secret, but experts are already making forecasts. Considering that the outgoing hybrid version of AMG GT63 SE Performance cost between $200,500 in the US, we can expect an all-electric successor to cost at least $220,000. Did you like the car?